Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and today we have a meditation for humility. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Okay, my sweet friends, we're gonna start today in a child's pose. If child's pose ain't your thing, just come into a nice comfortable seat, a place where you can connect to your breath. I'm choosing child's pose or extended child's pose so that we can start in a pose of surrender and just get our head just a little bit below our hearts in honor of today's theme. So if you're into seated, you can just bow head to heart. Otherwise, let's come on down to the ground, bring the knees as wide as your yoga mat. And as you're ready, send the fingertips out. Take a big breath and with intention, bow the head, get it lower than your heart space. And you'll feel the shoulders and back and hips start to open up. But right away, you might, if you're willing, close your eyes, start to listen to the sound of your breath, and just notice what this feels like. If you can really lean in, getting the heart to melt, getting the head underneath the heart. Considering this as a little symbol of just kind of giving the thinking mind a break, allowing the heart, the soul, to be the star of the show today. So we often show up on our mat for asana practice. And that sort of conditioning and that work, of course, is important and extraordinary and valuable. But today's session is about being still, residing with the breath, and connecting to this feeling of humility. In other words, it's not what is on the outside, but what is on the inside that counts. As you gently continue to deepen your breath here, just find places to soften, and you might even feel things pop and shift even just with these long, conscious breaths. Accept any feelings, any thoughts that are coming across your table here, your desk. And then as you're willing, start to clear the desk off. Focus on your breath. And then as an individual, but also considering this community, this global connection, just take one final loving cycle of breath in humility, tending to the inside, surrendering to that which you cannot control. And slowly, nice and slow, you can keep your gaze soft as you press back up, and you're going to come into a nice, comfortable seat of your choice. And we have about a 5-minute Vipassana, so a 5-minute quiet sit that we're going to do today. You're going to want to stop the video, you're going to want to quit. So let's see if we can make it to the end as a grand act of love and humility. Sit up nice and tall. Allow your hands to rest gently wherever they fall. Tuck the chin just slightly. Sit up nice and tall. Lean back. Find places to lift and then places to ground. And remember why we practice asana in the first place. To connect to our higher self, that divine. Historically, to allow us to sit in meditation, to be still, to reflect, to nurture the soul. You ready? Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And let's begin. Notice the natural ebb and flow of your breath as you come into your seat. If this is new for you, you are in the perfect zone, that beginner's mind. I'll watch the timer so you can soften and relax into this moment. It's now about 4 minutes of your life. You're going to be able to sit here and be still. Trust that you can and you will do it with grace and with ease, with a curiosity. Keep breathing. Just relax and allow. Notice the thoughts that come across your desk, your table. And then come back to the structure you have in your body and come back to the ebb and flow of your breath. And start again. You're doing great. Continue to sit up nice and tall. Continue to just observe the ebb and flow of your breath. And for your final 2 minutes here, embrace this moment, this stillness, this peace that resides within. So whether or not you're feeling it today or not, that's really not up to anyone. But being open to access that through regular yoga and meditation practice. That's the ticket. So stick with it here. You got it. Observing the breath, embracing the moment, relishing this stillness and this peace. It's time for yourself. with the eyes closed. And without moving a muscle, bring your awareness or your attention to the base of the spine. Slowly and sweetly from this point, start to draw a line all the way up. Maybe this affects your posture just a bit, but you don't have to move. Just slowly, in your mind's eye, draw a line all the way up through the center channel, this plumb line, this super highway of energy. Notice how this can affect you. If not today, with practice it will. Connecting all the way up through the neck and all the way up through the crown of the head till you reach the top. And when you reach the top, slowly bring your hands to your heart space. Take a deep breath in and then empty it out. Inhale in again. And with the eyes closed, exhale, bow head to heart. A most humble bow. Take one more quiet moment to notice how you feel. And then gently bat the eyelashes open. Open your eyes. Lift your chin. Lift the corners of the mouth just slightly. And then bring the thumbs right up to the third eye. Sweet. You did it. Amazing. Could this be the beginning of a fresh, lifelong romance with meditation in conjunction with your yoga practice? Maybe so. I'll be writing a little bit more on today's theme on the blog, so go check it out and we'll have a conversation down below, of course, and on the Find What Feels Good membership as well. Thank you so much for being here, for sharing your practice with me and with so many beautiful people around the world. We are definitely lucky to have each other. Deep breath in. Exhale to bow. Namaste.